Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here over to XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So this video is all about risk and numbers, and it is basically for my Signal service subscribers. So if you're new to this Signal service, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what trade size you should be using for your account based on the stats of the service so far. Okay, if you've been a member for the service for a while, I've always recommended what I have, which was 0.5% of your account per trade, and over the basket of trades, a max of 5% risk per week. Okay, the reason that being is because we need, like anything in trading, we need to get stats. We have our own stats in our own trading accounts over the years, but in order to give you the best service, we needed to get the stats on the actual signals we sent out on the service, the actual trades that have become active in the service, so we can give you the optimal trade size and optimal results to expect from the service. Okay, so I'm going to hide my face and we're going to get into the stats. Okay, so pay close attention. If you have any questions at the end of the video, just simply contact me at will@fxace.com and I'll help you in any way I can. Okay, so I'm going to hide my face and we're going to look at the stats so far on the accounts. Okay, so currently this is how many. This week hasn't finished, by the way, but currently since we started the service around August last year, we've made around 10,280 pips. Okay, you can see this is the chart tracking our results monthly, and we put these in weekly. Okay, last week wasn't so good. This week we're hopefully break even. 2 trades still open. We're rather unlucky with some of the trades that happened this week. But as always, it's Easter. It is the holidays. Same thing. Markets tend to slow down. Easter, Christmas, and in the summer holidays. Okay, so 10,282 pips. Like this is our win ratio. Okay, so you can see we average around. You can see December was the Christmas month. Again, we average around 72 to 75%. Okay, holiday months will be different. As you can see here, Christmas was slow. Again, March 57%. We had that flash crash in March, but we still have. We had 57% of our trades last month, but we had our best month of the year and our second best month since we started trading or started providing the signal service. Okay, so our win ratio is 67%. We've had 143 winning trades, 72 losing trades. Okay, average monthly pip count is 1,111 pips. Average week is 370, and average pip per winning trade is 70 pips. Okay, what we needed to include in this, we had to include last month's flash crash. It's one of them things that happen once a year, so we couldn't really give you the correct stats, the correct trading numbers till that once a year event happens, which happened last month, which will be able to give us our max drawdown. Okay, so everything's based on a USD dollar account here. You can convert that into your own currency too, but it's based on a USD an account, starting off with a $5,000 account size last August. Okay, and last month we had to include the largest drawdown. Okay, so optimal trade size for starting this size of account I've figured out using our stats with a max drawdown of 9%, and that week of the 9% it actually came back in the end of the week, didn't turn out that bad. Our max drawdown over 1 week is around 3 to 5%, so which is really good for a trading method. Okay, every time we double our account, we double our trade size. That is simple math in this. Every time we double our account, we double our trade size. Okay, so this account has just been doubled from last month. So this month we're able to increase our trade size to 0.1. Okay, so if you started the service last August, you followed the trade size, followed the signals exactly as we recommend. Your max drawdown would have been 9%, starting with $5,000, and this is the returns you would have been expecting to see on a US dollar account. It will obviously be different on different, like a British pound account or a different base currency account. Okay, so far that's the results on a $5,000 account. Optimal trade size, okay, a 1K to 5K account, 0.025. The drawdown is going to slightly be a bit bigger over the year. Now this is a max drawdown over a once a year event that happens. A flash crash, what I've recognized over the past 4 years is there is a flash crash at some point every year, and it happens once a year. And one of these events does happen. Okay, it happened last month in March, and we were able to get back with it because we control our trade size, control our risk. The damage on the account on that one day was only around 9%. Okay, happens. Any other day of the year or any other week of the year, our max drawdown is 3 to 5%. Okay, and as your account grows, it's going to get less. Okay, simple math here, compounding math. Every time your account doubles, you double your trade size. So once this account doubles to 20K, it'll be 0.2. Once it doubles to 40K, it'll be 0.4. Okay, simple math. Okay, you can see here. So this is if you're trading with a 1 to 5K account, I recommend the drawdown will be a bit bigger if you're using 0.025. Trading small accounts, you kind of need to take a bit more risk to get it up to allow the account to grow up. So preferably get it to 5K. Once you get an account to 5K, these numbers start to look really, really good. Okay, so 1 to 5K, 0.025, 5 to 10K, 0.05, 10K to 20K, 0.1, 20K to 40K, 0.2, 40K to 80K, 0.4, and 80K to 160 be 0.8. Okay, and then so on and so on. Okay, if you're trading those kind of account sizes. Okay, so this is the best way to control your risk based on our stats over the past 10 months. This is the trade size you should be using. Okay, it's a low drawdown. This hasn't got low drawdown at this size, at this trading risk. If you want to trade bigger, it's up to you, but just understand when this once a year event happens, if you're trading bigger, the drawdown is going to be probably double, or sometimes it could be triple, depends on what you're trading. Okay, I recommend these numbers here. You're starting off with 5K. But, you can see the kind of returns you get here every month on a 5K account, trading this trade size. Okay, it easily covers the cost of the subscription. So it does. Just follow what I say, follow the signals, and you will get these returns. Okay, as always, nothing's ever guaranteed. Can't really guarantee that for legal reasons, but if you simply follow what I say, follow the signals, you'll get these kind of results over a period of time. Okay, 1 month, just trading for 1 month, using a service for 1 month, and then things might not work out so well the first couple of weeks, and then you stop using the signals. That's not the way to go. Okay, you want stats? We've given you our stats on the service so far, and this is what you kind of expect. You want to use the service and allow the service to work over, like we say, I think 90 days. That's why we guarantee over a 90-day period. This allows you to get the full service that we provide. Might join, like some people last month joined in the week we had the flash crash. Okay, and then that they just stopped trading. Okay, they closed all their trades, they stopped trading it, said I don't want to subscribe here anymore. Again, that's the markets, things like that happen. When you have the stats and you know your stats, you know your numbers. When you know your stats and you know your numbers, realize that event's going to happen once a year, you're able to control it. Okay, you're able to control your trade size. Make sure you're not trading too big. Make sure you're trading enough so where you get a good growth on the account. Okay, it's all about numbers, controlling your risk, and staying disciplined, and just following the trades, following the signals, and you will get results. Okay, so allow the service to work. Give it time. If if you're watching this and it's your first week and you've had your first week's been a loss, which do happen, it's trading. We can't can't guarantee that we're not going to lose a 1 week. What we do guarantee is over a period of time you will see account growth, okay, and the service will work for you. Anyone who's been in the service for a good period of time or since the beginning, they're been there since the beginning for a reason, because their account is growing over time. And yeah, so if you simply follow the recommendations in this video, follow the recommended trade size, okay, stay disciplined, allow the service to work for you, and you will get results. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com. And if you're watching this video on YouTube and you're not a member, you're not a subscriber to the service yet, you can simply click the link below and get involved, as we do provide a professional service, and yeah, the numbers work out. Okay, so if you're new to the service, welcome. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the Telegram group, looking forward to seeing your results. Remember, allow the service to work. Okay, don't get disheartened if it's your first week or two and you're not seeing any profit. Over time, the service will work. We will make money over time. Okay, that's why we do it in quarters. We split it into quarters: the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter of the year. Okay, we've now just entered the second quarter of the year. Holiday periods will be slow. Christmas, like December, the last two weeks in December will be slow. 2 weeks around Easter will be slow. A couple of weeks in July usually are slow, and then the end of the year again. Okay, so holiday periods usually at the end of each quarter dry up for a couple of weeks, or a week or two where there's holiday period. Okay, so enjoy the service. Go over this video, you'll know what to expect. Thanks for watching. Will@fxace.com.